Hello guys, welcome back sa aking channel. Ayan. And for today's video is, alam nyo na, mag-try on haul naman tayo. So ayun guys, ang i-try on haul natin ay mga panties or underwear. So ayun guys, bago tayo magsimula, kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa aking channel, please do subscribe sa aking channel and hit mo na rin the bell button para updated ka sa akin mga bagong video. So ayan guys, simulan na natin. So ito guys, in-order ko pala to sa Shopee. So ayan, isa na natin. Meron ako dito kulay brown, ayan. So kaya ako nag-order nito kasi nagustuhan ko yung kanyang design. So simple lang yung design niya, tapos may pangalan siya ng brand. So yan, tapos yung tela niya ay malamok. So yan, ito yung likod, ito yung harap, at ito yung loob. So ayan, tingnan natin kung gano'n siya ka-stretch. So ayan, ganyan siya ka-stretch. Sana magkasya sa atin. Pero size na ito guys, XL. Sure ako, kasya naman. So next na tayo. Ito naman ay white. So ayan, plain lang to guys lahat. Pero maganda kasi siya kasi simple lang. So ayan, ganyan siya ka-stretch guys. So yan, ang kilogram pala pwede dito ay 40 to 65 nga lang. Yan, pwede siya kung gano'n ang bigat naman. So ayan, next na tayo. Dito naman tayo sa kulay red. So ayan, ganito yung kulay red. So ayan, kita nyo ba? So ayan, ito yung likod, ito yung loob. So pare-parehas lang ito ng design guys, kulay nga lang ang pinagkaiba. So express din ang size, isang size lang, XL. So ayan, next na tayo. Ito naman ay kulay peach ba to? So ayan, ito medyo malaki siya, medyo malaki yung batak niya. So dapat ganitong size. Parang siyang orange na pink, hindi ko ayan, na-color plate na tayo. So ayan, ganito lang yung design na guys, simple lang. So kaya siya nagustuhan ko. Ayan, ganyan. So next na tayo para mabilis. Ito naman ay kulay blue, dark blue. Ayan, ganyan din siya kabatak. Tapos yung loob niya ganun din. Ayan, pare-parehas lang naman ang design, color lang pinagkaiba. Next na tayo. So ayan, last na tayo, kulay black. So ayan guys, ganyan siya kabata. So parang hindi siya pare-parehas. Yung isa medyo batak na batak, ito hindi masyado. So sana magkasya sa atin. Yan, sana naman dapat pag XL lahat, hindi yung parang iba-iba yung yung size, parang iba-iba yung size. Yung isa kasi ito parang malaki, tapos ito kaparehas ng ibang design, ganun yung size. So ayan, ito yung lahat ng aking in-order. So ano pang hinihintay natin? So ito na natin to.
I see her rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that? I think she's feeling me. Turn it up a few degrees. My imagination of her body gets the best of me. Oh gosh, she's such a tease. Bitten lips, bruised knees. I'm addicted to her, need her touching me. Cause she got a bad little waist, and we tearing down this place. Off the liquor that we chase. Casamigos to the face, baby, I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste, and I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on a tight frame. All game, no shame, baby came here to play. I feel like an addict cause she's sex, drugs, cocaine. Got a fine little body and her mind's kinda naughty. They say that once you taste it, you cannot replace it. She could get you high, all the dopamine inside triggers fast once she's naked. Her body's a creation. They say the devil made her for his entertainment, but even he couldn't learn how to contain it. Her high heels make a damn good statement. There is no replacement, a body by Satan. She got a bad little waist, and we tearing down this place. Off the liquor that we chase. Casamigos to the face, baby, I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste, and I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on a tight frame. All game, no shame, baby came here to play. I feel like an addict cause she's sex, drugs, cocaine.
So, ayun lang guys. That is for today's video. Sana nagustuhan nyo. At kung nagustuhan nyo, i-like nyo naman. At kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe sa aking channel, please do subscribe sa aking channel. And hit mo na rin the bell button para updated ka sa aking mga bagong video. So, ayun lang guys. See you in my next vlog. Bye-bye!